Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBI Clerk 2022. And in this video, I am going to share my SBI Clerk scorecard 2021. And I got 80 plus marks with my own strategy. And these were my marks in SBI Clerk Prelims exam 2021. And I got 81 marks in Prelims exam, but failed in Mains exam. And now I am going to prepare for SBI Clerk 2022. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And these daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description, and join my Telegram group. And I will also share my strategy to clear any prelims exam in upcoming videos. So start your preparation and make your timetable from today onwards for SBI Clerk 2022. And also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And all the best for your 2022 preparation. And thank you.